We have a world that's had some conflict, but we've ironed out a lot of it. We're going to have a great and peaceful world. And on a much smaller scale, this will be a tremendously successful place, and a place where people can come and enjoy life. And it's very special. So I hope everybody in Scotland and well beyond Scotland enjoys it for many, many years to come. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. It's going to be really, it's going to be great. I look forward to playing it today. We'll play it very quickly, and then I go back to D.C. and we put out fires all over the world. We did one yesterday. As you know, we stopped a war, but we've stopped about 5 wars. So that's much more important than playing golf. As much as I like it, it's much more important.